everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy to be back. I did take a little break from the wig videos because I've been enjoying my natural hair, but today I have another wig show and tell. This unit is from ILIKEHAIR, one of my favorite hair companies. I think they do an amazing job with creating realistic wigs for women with textured hair. Now this unit is one of their newer wigs, the short, wavy, kinky edges bob with 5x5 pre-cut HD lace. That is how it's listed on the website, so if you're looking for it, that's exactly what you need to type in. And like all of the other units from ILIKEHAIR, this wig comes with some wig caps and a little goodie bag to help install your wig. That includes an elastic band, a rat tail comb, some hair clips, an edge brush, and these cute little pins that have the brand logo on them. Now this unit is literally a wear and go. You can take it out the box and just wear it as is. You guys will see what I'm talking about in just a minute. To highlight how quick and easy this wig is, I want to let y'all know that I actually did not fast forward the installation on this unit like I typically do in my other videos. This is me showing you everything in real time, and it literally took me less than 10 minutes to install this unit. So this wig comes with pre-cut lace, pre-cut HD lace. It is already pre-plucked. It has kinky edges, so you don't have to lay any baby hair or smooth it out with the hot comb. And it also comes pre-parted. It also comes pre-styled. It's pre-styled with these like crinkled wavy curls. And let me not forget to mention that it also comes pre-cut. You don't have to worry about cutting any lace. They've already done that for you. The cap construction on this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. There is a comb in the middle. There are also adjustable straps along the back, and there is an adjustable elastic band. Now, I cannot speak for the big head girls, but I am a part of the small head gang, and I can say that this wig is definitely small head friendly. And this is the unit fresh out of the box. This is what the waves and the pre-style texture looks like. And before I went to install this wig, I did off camera add a little bit of my bronzer from my Nika K bronzer duo kit, and that took me all about 30 seconds. But I definitely like to do this with all of my units because it makes the wigs blend in with my scalp and looks a lot more realistic in person. If you're wanting to know exactly how I did this, feel free to check out any of my other wig videos. I've done it in all of my other videos. This day, I did not feel like looking for my brown stocking cap, so I simply used the beige wig cap that they provided with the wig. Now, obviously, this is not the same color as my skin. Obviously, we see that. That's okay. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And this day, all I had was the beige wig cap, so I made it work. And as far as wig prep, I do not like to braid my hair down. It kind of is short, but not really anymore. But I'm definitely a low maintenance girl, so the low bun works for me. I just make sure it's all the way down, as flat as possible, and tucked at the very back of my neck. And as I mentioned before, I do have a pretty small head, so I definitely went ahead and tightened both the adjustable straps and the elastic band. Now the adjustable straps, I tightened them almost as tight as they would go, and the elastic band, I just kind of tightened it just a little bit because I didn't want it to be too tight to where it will be causing me a headache. And from there, the installation is pretty simple. What I like to do is sort of turn the wig upside down, and I make sure that the elastic band is secure around the nape of my neck first, and I make sure it's nice and comfortable before I put the rest of the wig back. And then from there, you just slide it all the way down. And I actually only ended up using the 1 comb in the back of this unit. Like I showed you earlier, there are 5 different combs in this unit, but I actually only ended up using the 1 in the back to secure it. And again, y'all, this is in real time. I did not speed this video up. All I had to do was adjust it once I got the straps and the comb in there in the back. That was it. This is pre-styled. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to do anything. Once I tightened it and put it on, it was good to go. And I was actually very surprised that I didn't have to do anything else to it. Like I didn't have to smooth out the part. I didn't have to heat up the hot comb. It looked good. as is, literally straight out of the box. I did not have to use any glue or any spray or gel or anything to melt the lace. The HD lace on this unit is actually incredible. You cannot tell the difference between my scalp and the hairline on this unit. Now, one thing you'll notice is that you can pretty much see the wig cap up under this unit. That's only because the wig cap was so light. Had I used a darker brown wig cap, you would not even notice it. So disregard that. That also proves just how amazing the lace is, that you can actually see the wig cap underneath it. But I digress. This unit was incredibly easy to install and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that they styled it. If you all are interested in some great, easy, ready to go wigs, definitely check out I Like Hair. I have a bunch of videos on my channel featuring their amazing wigs. The link to this one will be down in the description box below, so definitely check that out. I appreciate you watching this video all the way through to the end. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, please. And if you would love this type of content, you like wigs, beauty, lifestyle, mom stuff, definitely subscribe to my channel and give it a share. I'll see you all in the next video.